Hello guys, we are back here at InfoWeather today. Now what has happened, we'll just start off with what we really have to look at today. So the convective outlook is what we're going to start off with. And the thing is, we used to have a slight area all the way from, went up too high, Minnesota, Wisconsin, down into the Texas area. Now the difference is now that whole northern part, not except for Kansas, Oklahoma, and Texas, were taken off that, and we were upgraded to slight. So that was good for us. However, when you go and look at the combined, the enhanced turns into a 5%. The slight is 2%. You'll look at the wind, and it becomes 5% in the marginal, 15% in the slight or enhanced, as the case may be. And then the significant area in for hail, you see 5% in the marginal, 15 slight, 30% plus significant in the enhanced areas. Abilene, Texas, Midland, Texas, San Angelo, Texas, Big Spring, Texas, Altus, Texas, and Woodward, Oklahoma, all with a possibility of big hail today. Anyway, so you move to the day 2 outlook, and then you see that Nebraska, Colorado have an enhanced over here, and then you move back to that area that we've been looking at the Texas, Oklahoma panhandles, also under enhanced. So 2 areas of enhanced. They'll probably combine tomorrow because that's just what the SPC does, and then a slight around that, marginal around that. Not much else to look at. You move to day 3, and then you see the slight area move more over here: Nebraska, Kansas, northern Oklahoma, Missouri, southern Iowa, a good chunk of Illinois, and it looks like part of Indiana or 2. Now on day 4, we do see a few things change up since last time. We now have a 30%. That's the first time we've had a 30% in the outlook 4 days or longer out. I think the last one was in April 24th, I want to say. Not 100%, April 28th or something like that. Anyway, that's for the area we've been watching, like Oklahoma City, Norman, Oklahoma area there. Day 5 is the last day we have to look at. It just moves the risk farther over in Texas, Oklahoma, Kansas area. Now, currently, we have 1 tornado report. There are only a few severe thunderstorm warnings right now associated with all this. There are 2 watches. I'll get to those in a bit. But anyway, 3 wind reports, 7 hail reports, 1 large hail report, for a total of 11 reports for the day today. Now, currently we do have 2 tornado watches. One of those are watch 199 for the Texas-Mexico border up into central Texas. That's on the western side of Texas. And then from there on up into southwestern Kansas, across the Texas and Oklahoma panhandles, we have watch number 200. Now, when I saw the data for 199, they were predicting a high chance of all that hail stuff and a moderate chance of tornadoes. And I think the watch 200 had a moderate risk of both. Anyway, tomorrow it's going to be sunny and 80 degrees. Low tonight's going to be 50. Wednesday it's going to be partly cloudy, still going to be in the 80s, and we're going to be in the mid-50s for the low. We move on to Thursday, rainy into the mid-80s, and then we continue through the weekend. Friday we do get a bit of partly cloudy, and then storms Saturday and Sunday as we hit the mid-80s for highs and mid-60s for lows. Currently it's 75 degrees. Humidity is around 43%. Winds are light and to the west.